As a father of an almost 2-year-old, one of the things you're always looking for is places to be able to go with your child that they love. And so far, my daughter is over here and loving every minute of it. Isn't that right, Kennedy? Right on cue. And I'm here right now with the owners of this. Can you tell me the name of it, where we are? Kristen, let's start with you.
Hi, welcome. This is Wild and Wander Play Studio. Lindsay and I are co-owners. Indoor play space for kids to have fun with their parents.
I love it. So I love, of all the places I've gone to, this seems to be the most well decorated, the most well thought out. I mean, there's a lot of fun places around. I'm not bashing on anything. This is also brand new, but feels like a little village in here as well. Like, it's really fun. So what was the vision behind starting it and the vision behind how you decorated it?
So we wanted it to be more like a small little town, right? So we have our imaginative play space over here with the houses, the hospital, the farmer's market, and then we have kind of like a park setting on this side with the balance beam, the teeter-totter, and the play structure with the slide.
The infant area is also a great space for the tiny ones, for the little ones.
Well, the other thing too, when you become a parent for the first time, which we did less than 2 years ago, is you can feel very isolated too. So when you come somewhere like this, it's really a great way to meet other parents as well.
Yeah, it's a great place for the kids to socialize. It's also a great place for, moms, dads, grandparents to come to meet other parents that are kind of in the same season that everybody else is in.
Yeah, because sometimes it can feel a bit rough, and there's something less energy zapping about being surrounded by other people at the same time.
Yeah, absolutely, because sometimes it can be intimidating going to other places with the older kids and stuff like that. So kind of putting everybody together that's that same age group and seeing them all interact in a place that's comfortable and
safe.
Safe, yeah.
Absolutely. And obviously your daughter right now is helping to look after my daughter who's going to run over my toes. Ow!
And we see a lot of that too. And the little ones also learn from the bigger kids, and then the bigger kids also help the little ones. So
I've actually been so pleasantly surprised when we go to places how, I don't know how old she is, 3 or 4.
She's 3.
But I've been pleasantly surprised just how caring the 3 and 4-year-olds are towards the younger. They're so gentle with them in most cases, not so much the boys. But they really want to help them along, or if they see they're struggling to get up on something, they're so gentle with them. And it's actually been great to see that with 3 and 4-year-olds as well with her.
It is. It's so nice to see them all interact and play together. Yeah.
And, they like being the bigger sibling,
the bigger
too.
siblings,
it's nice.
yeah.
Kristen, what's it like having a business with your sister? Because you are sisters.
We are sisters.
So what's that like? Because
so Lindsay runs the day-to-day. I work for local community schools and doing therapy for kids with disabilities.
Okay.
So that's kind of my background.
Yeah.
Lindsay is the master at all of the backside of business, and she's doing a great job.
Yeah, I mean, I think we definitely had a good collaboration on our our dream, our vision of what this place is. I mean, we've already kind of started to add programs into the space as far as like our music programs and our reading with the Elkhart Public Library.
Oh, nice. And it's great that you're adding all those programs. And I know that you have a room back here as well, which also is a place for families to come and have birthday parties.
Yeah, we offer a space for the in the party room for birthday parties, special events. We offer private parties as well. If you just want to come and just rent the space with just you and your friends. It doesn't have to be a birthday party.
You also, you're here beside Martin's on Bristol Street in Elkhart, and you also wanted to put it here too because it is a little bit of a desert when it comes to places for kids to be able to come, right?
Yeah, we definitely enjoy the calm environment that's surrounding the place as well. The parking lot is a safe space to get in and out of with the little ones, because I mean we all know how it is sometimes to get out of a crowded place with little ones. So just kind of being in this calmer space really just was like the footprint of what we were doing as well. So
but you're also trying to stop families from having to always drive to Mishawaka and other places where this
a lot
just
of
didn't exist here.
entertainment is in Mishawaka, and it's hard to find anything locally in our area for especially the little ones to enjoy. So that's why we chose this space and this city
I love also, as I look behind here, your daughter is teaching my daughter to go down the slide on her belly and everything.
Yeah.
So,
Yeah,
so,
she's a pro at that.
yeah, this is a lot of fun,
Yeah.
and I absolutely love it here. And what else have you got going on? There's food and coffee for the
Yeah,
parents and things
we
like
offer snacks for the little ones. We also have a self-serve coffee bar, so moms can come in, grab a cup of coffee, sit down, relax,
Mm-hmm.
and they can see their child from
Anywhere they're sitting. We have a great cafe area that, you know, parents can do work on the computer and monitor their kids while they're playing, and it's just a different environment.
You know, I talked a little bit off camera about the junior achievement of Elkhart County and how, I don't know if you've ever seen it, but they have an indoor business village where it reminds me of this. So you go inside and they have like banks set up and everything to teach young kids and teenagers about how to open checking accounts and things like that. So it's funny, the second I walked in here, that's what it kind of reminded me of. I don't know if you even knew that existed, but it's got a similar feel,
Yeah.
which is actually really cool. So I thought maybe that was some of your inspiration, but no, it's not.
No,
It's just,
no.
what made you think of having a farmer's market and a hospital and things like that?
So kids learn through play, right? So any imaginative play is really healthy. So having, you know, a grocery store and the kitchen, it just is, you're just learning through play. So the imaginative houses are, it was the big staple for us.
Yeah.
Oh,
for
and it looks
sure.
amazing.
Thank
I mean,
you.
you guys must have put a lot of effort into creating this space. I mean,
Absolutely.
yeah.
It
it's-
was a lot of fun, though.
It was.
We really
Really?
enjoyed
We
it.
worked really
Okay, you were meant for
hard.
this because even just yesterday I had to cut the grass and I was thinking how like annoying that is. So you're just like loving all this, but I guess that's why you do what you do. And
Yeah.
and what hours are you open and things like that? And what's your address here so people know?
So we're located at Cobblestone Crossing. It's 4000 East Bristol Street. We're Suite 8.
Okay.
We're open Monday through Friday from 9 a.m. to 3 p.m. and then Saturdays are 9 to 11 and Sundays are 10 to 2. We offer birthday parties on Friday nights, Saturdays, and Sundays. So our hours kind of vary on
Yeah.
Saturday and Sundays depending on if
on
we have parties or not.
Okay, and what is your general hope for the community if they think of this business? What do you want them to feel after being here?
We want them to just, you know that at the end of the play, like they had a good time. They got some energy out. Maybe they're time for a nap. You know, I don't know.
Yeah.
I don't know.
I mean, I definitely want them to feel like this is a safe zone, right? Where they know that the next time they come and every time they come that they're safe and their kids are having fun.
Well, great. I mean, this has to, I feel like as a parent, you have like a route of about 4 or 5 places that you constantly go to. And I feel like this should definitely be on the top of people's list because it's beautiful. And I'm looking forward to spending a few minutes here with my daughter, having a coffee and just enjoying it because it is absolutely wonderful. So congratulations for getting this far.
Yeah.
And I hope the community really supports you. So thank you.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.